Right, it's the latest greenhouse. The tomatoes, the balcony red, were all pot bound and nothing was happening. So I put them into bigger pots, and lo and behold, lots of tomatoes growing now. Lots of tomatoes. So you see the other one there. One of them started to go a bit, you know, sort of like looked a bit sort of mouldy or something. So I chucked that out into the green bin outside, but it's still in its pot, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything. As well as that, if you look at the Alicantes, I planted them in soil, and look, I used Tomerite, which is a proprietary fertiliser. Apparently it's made from seaweed, and look how nice they are. And when you rub the leaves, you get a gorgeous tomato scent. I put my new clematis, that's it, into a pot, into a large pot. It was in a tiny pot. I've not got it in its biggest pot. I want to bring it on in the greenhouse for a year and then put it outside next year when it's a bit bigger. It's a shame you can't smell in here because you've got the scent of the lime blossom there. That seems to be doing... No, that's the lemon blossom. The lime never really seems to be doing much. Echinacea's doing nicely. A little model of a fox my son bought me for Father's Day. He's quite happy over there. And yeah, so that's the greenhouse. I've got a few bags of things like compost, a little ornamental tobacco, and you can see up there on the roof, there's mummy and baby. We've got two babies still. They follow mum around. I've got to feed them in a minute, give them some water as well. You can hear them.